Today we are making one of my favorite spring and summer recipes. We're making baked peaches and cream. This recipe is one of my spring and summertime favorites. If you bring this out at a barbecue, you are sure to impress everyone. And it's so easy, you can't mess it up. So, first thing we're going to do is we are going to wash our peaches. We're gonna wash them because at the store, a lot of people were touching them and you wanna use soap. I have a method for this and I'm gonna show you guys how it goes. We're just gonna take some soap and put it on our hand. We're going to let the water drip the soap all over our peaches. That way you don't waste more than one pump of soap and all your peaches can get clean. Now we're going to pat our peaches dry. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting our peaches in half, and then we're going to be laying them cut side down and baking them. So we're going to grab each peach, and the peach has a crease. We're going to cut along the crease that goes from the stem out. And remember, they have pits in the middle, so you want to have somewhere to discard of them. We're not going to be keeping the pits inside. And if you start to find that your pit is not coming out all the way like this, you can take a little 1/4 teaspoon or other measuring spoon and you just start to scoop it out. It's the perfect size to take it right out. Now that we have halved and pitted our peaches, we're gonna make our brown sugar and butter mixture. We're gonna be using 1 tablespoon of butter per peach and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar per peach. So I'm using vegan butter today. This is also a vegan and dairy-free recipe if you use vegan butter. It works the same as regular butter. This is the brand that I go to. It is also soy-free. So we're going to add our brown sugar into our butter. If you like, you could also melt your butter, but I like when it's really fluffy. I find it easier to paint on my peaches. And we're also going to add in a little bit of cinnamon. I've got about a 1/4 teaspoon here. Once your mixture is fully combined, it should look like this. And we are going to take a basting brush and we're going to paint our mixture on our peaches. So we're going to try to fill the void where the seed was. And we're going to place the peach inside our glass baking dish, cut side down. And we're going to repeat this process for all of the other peaches. If you have any extra of the mixture, you can go ahead and paint it on top of the peaches. Now our peaches are ready for the oven. We're gonna bake them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes or until soft. They smell amazing. The whole house smells delicious. And we're gonna let these cool for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna plate them with some vanilla ice cream. In the oven, the brown sugar and butter breaks down with the peaches and becomes a tasty flavored syrup. It is best served warm and poured over the warm peaches and cold vanilla ice cream. And there you have it, guys! The easiest and most delicious summer or springtime recipe. Just make sure you bake this in spring or summer because that's when peaches are in season. Otherwise, you won't be able to find them. And if you love this recipe, you're gonna love my fried banana recipe. I will link that right here so you can watch that one too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below how yours came out, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.